Guys, it's Red Wolf here, where today we are back with another how-to tutorial, where today I will be showing you how to make a custom YouTube thumbnail for your videos. And I'm sorry about the last video, my mic wasn't working. I'm sorry I don't have a face cam. My laptop's face cam is pretty rubbish, so I forgot the size of the YouTube thumbnail, so let me just search it. Size of YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so you want to go into this website, which I have provided for you in the description below. You can go click that to go get started. Now, what you want to do is you want to create new image. You want to put 1280, I think it was. by 720 by 720, and then you want to go ahead and click transparent, and then you want to click OK. So now what you can do is with this, you can hold Alt to zoom in and out. That's like a really handy thing, I guess. Okay, so what you want first is a background. What I use in my videos is a purple grunge background. You can search up yellow backgrounds, red grunge backgrounds. So if you go into layer, open layer as image, and then you go find your image. So if I go to desktop, and here I've got this one. So what you want to do is you want to go to edit, free transform. Make sure you hold shift, because if you don't, it'll go all squirrely. So hold shift, and then you can move it to your position. So make sure you're 0. And now let's say you're doing, so this thumbnail I'm making, I'm going to use for this video. So what I want to do is I want to go to text. And I want to type how to make a YouTube banner. Sorry, thumbnail. God, I just spell it. No. Yeah. And there's this website, I forgot what it was called. You can go download fonts and stuff. I'm going to use this one because it looks nice. Change the size. I'm going to put the size around here. How to make a YouTube thumbnail. I'm going to make it a bit smaller. You can make it bold. You can make it, yeah, I'm going to go for that one. Now, you want to go wide so it like pops out. So then you can move it into your position. I've made it too big, so what you want to do is you can adjust it yourself. So I'm going to put 30. It doesn't work, so I'm going to put 25. Stuff it. 9, 20. How about we do 9? Oops. It's 90 feet. 80 will probably fit. Yeah. So what's going on here? So now you want to move it into your position. I'm going to do this. I'm going to put it around here. And then I'm going to open, so you can download this YouTube logo. Just type up YouTube logo PNG. Link will be in the description. Now to adjust it, it's the same thing. Free transform, shift, or you might want to move it first so you know where it's going. Shift, make it a bit smaller, put it in the spot you want. I'm going to put it here, and then you just click yes, and then I'm going to move my text up a bit, and now I am going to open another image, and you want to, if you want, you can get this hand, which I will put in the link in the description below, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to like twist it around. Oh, yeah, I'm going to twist it a bit. Straight. I'm going to do, yes, I'm going to keep it. I'm going to click duplicate layer. I'm going to move it over here. I'm going to go free transform, and I'm going to move it slightly this way. And now what you can do is, what I did in my how to make a YouTube banner, I won't put this in, I'll put this in the description, paintbrushes, and then you can go ahead and put that on the picture. Oops. And then go edit, free transform, and then I'm going to put it down here. It fits, so I'm just going to make it a bit smaller. I'm going to this one to language changes. Then you can duplicate that, then move it, and then you want to free transform again. Move, and free transform. And I'm going to do this, so now I'm going to move it kind of into this paintbrush, go a bit upwards, kind of like that. And there you have it. There is your custom YouTube thumbnail. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. I'll be greatly appreciated. Please subscribe to Bardock the Same God, which is James. Go check out Annabelles House, and go check out another video by me, which will probably, I don't know, but check out another video by me. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Goodbye. Hey guys, it's me from the future. I forgot how to show you how to save. So you go up in file, then you click save. And then you want to make it the highest quality you can get it. I'm just going to name mine how to make YouTube, and then I'm just going to click OK, and then you want to put it where you want to keep it. There. So hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.
like this.